In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display. And when you're ready, scroll down again, this time to click on Font Size and Style. Click on Font Style. Tap on any of those to apply the best one for you, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font, style of my font, has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, click on Font Size and Style, go into Font Style, and click Download Fonts to install the best one for you. Just tap on tiny icon right next to it, or click on it and hit Install at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when your font style is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!